Nuh-uh, I want a lilac house.
Hey, girls, calm down. Why don't we just blend both colors, huh?
No way! It can't be both in pink and lilac. Susie, help us decide what the color, please.
Oh, wow, this is tough.
You like lilac better, don't you?
I don't know. I'm sorry, girls.
Hey, wouldn't it be fun if each of you gets one side in your favorite color? If you put it that way. Okay, deal, let's do it!
I'm glad we settled this. Let's start from the bedrooms.
Let's do the pink one first.
Okay, we need to cut these first. Now it's all ready to assemble. These are the shelves. They come in handy when you need to store things, so they should be easy to reach.
Ouch, 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 ouch! Hurry, Sue, it's prickly!
Okay. Wow, these cut-up pictures look so cute! By the way, it's more convenient to use tweezers to stick them on the shelves. And some cute stickers for the wall.
Help! Get this web off my mouth, please!
Oh, calm down, it's just a paper web. And so are the spiders.
Don't know, don't care. Just help me with this bed, will ya?
Let's put the bed near the window right here. And this is the warmest, coziest blanket for the girls. Well, go ahead and try it out.
Wow, so cozy and warm!
Don't get comfy yet. We've got things to do. The closet goes here. And the doors? Why won't these attach? How do I do this?
Step aside, Susie. This hammer needs some space to work and fix this. Hi-ya! The closet is ready.
Oh, how neat. Thank you, Sammy.
I picked out some outfits for the dolls. Got the dress, the shoes, and zippers.
Perfect. Let's hang these dresses right here. Everything is stored neatly. We can close the doors now. Phew, we're done with the pink bedroom. Let's move on to lilac. Hey, what's going on here? Huh?
Whoops, sorry for the mess, Sue. Just getting things ready for the next stage, you know?
Okay, we'll clean it up. Look at what I have to decorate the wall with. We'll add a plant stand in the corner to make the room look chic. And here comes the lilac bed. Oh, this looks really cute.
Oh, this bed is so soft.
Sammy, no! Aren't you supposed to be helping?
I'll be back, I promise.
Oh, don't be so dramatic. It's not even evening yet.
What a heavy closet. My poor back. Almost there. A bit more. Phew, there. The only thing that can help me now is to lie on that bed. My precious.
Get back to work, you sneaky slime.
Okay.
Okay, friends, let's hang the clothes real quick right here. All lilac stuff is stored well in the closet. Great. That means our lilac bedroom is complete too.
Susie, we gotta connect the two rooms with this. Now get the rooms. Oh, no, not like that. Oh, come on. That's better. Put the pink on the left and the lilac on the right. There you go. Stay tuned, folks. The bathrooms are coming right up.
I think we'd better start with the shower here.
Yes, I was thinking the same thing. Ready!
Well done, Sammy. You're such a nice plumber.
Now I can do my skincare routine in peace.
Wait, what? But what about our craft? Sammy! Well, I guess I'll decorate the bathroom by myself then. I hope Sam will get to do the next one.
Nothing's better than a quick beauty. No! Spiderweb!
Yeah, that beauty nap seemed to make him forget that it's a paper web. Sammy, I told you we don't have the real web or spiders here.
Oh, I was just teasing you, Sue. Gotta keep you on your toes, you know? Wow!
Careful! Are you okay? I think you should watch where you step.
Oh, I'm fine. Hey, Dolly, the bath is ready for you. Come check it out. Yay! Ouch!
Oh, don't worry. The water will be just the right temperature when we're done here. Let's see. Are we forgetting anything, Sammy? Oh, that's right. There should be a food bath, too.
Speaking of food baths, I have to test them out. Are they really that good? Oh, that does feel good. Oh, whoa, what was that? A water dragon? Ah!
Sam, where'd you go again? I'll just finish it up here for now. So the bathrooms are done. Pretty fancy, aren't they? Don't you agree, Sammy?
They're awesome!
Oh, there you are. Let's move on to the kitchen.
Finally! We've arrived in the kitchen.
Sorry, Dolly, but I have to move you for more space here.
Feeling the sea vibe, you know?
Thanks for helping with the decor. You have a great taste. And this rug serves the theme perfectly. Look, the table's ready for lunch any second now.
Delightful foods coming straight from Sam's kitchen.
Oh, I wish I could eat all of these. Well, maybe a bite?
The feast is reserved for the dolls.
Oh, I guess you're right. I need to distract my mind from the food. Oh, something fun and entertaining, maybe?
Fun and entertaining, you say? How about a magic show? Magic's brewing in the kitchen. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3. Yahoo!
Whoa, that's fantastic, Sammy. But let's move to the pink kitchen, shall we?
Ugh, the important thing is a comfortable seat when enjoying the meal. And a warm rug for your feet.
I think a nice spacious table is important too.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, that'll be 6 duck coins.
I'll be taking it for 3 duck coins, thank you.
No way! Security! We have a thief here!
I'm just a little short on duck coins!
Here, that should cover it.
Thanks, Sue.
No problem, Sammy. Promise to make sure to bring more coins next time. Hold on a sec. I think we've completely forgotten about the food.
Say no more. Sam's Kitchen ready to serve the best meals. Here I present a strawberry smoothie, cupcakes, salad a la slime, and today's special menu.
The dolls will surely love this food. So, who's ready to decorate the living room? We'll need some posters, decor, and a TV for sure.
And a nice comfy sofa for a movie night. I don't think I've seen this movie. Oh, perfect time to catch up now.
Not so fast. We need the dressing table.
Oh, okay.
And I'm gonna take care of the coffee table. Oh, there's so many cute little things here.
Susie, I got them all right here. Eyeshadow palette, perfume, lipstick. I set them up right in this corner. Wow, Sue, can you do my makeup?
Sure thing. Stay still.
Great. We are done here. Yoo-hoo!
Now it's time for the pink living room.
Oh, my favorite show is on. Yes! Woohoo!
Sam, no TV before we're done.
Just the trailer, please.
The mirror goes here.
Well, I gotta check if it works. Wow! Smudgy mirror you got there.
No living room is complete without a soft rug and a comfortable armchair. And a table for all the yummy goodies, of course.
Oh, those goodies look so tempting.
Hey, you said it yourself that the food is for the dolls. I really want to make sure all the dolls' needs are provided here. Like those beauty products. Here we go.
Hey, Sue! I wonder what the perfume smells like. Spray it on me! Yeah, all sides. Oh, whoa. I smell like flowers now.
All the rooms are all well decorated now.
Hey, did you forget we still have to decorate the facade?
Oh, you're right! We want our doll's house to look extra special. And we have to make sure to keep the balance in both colors. Now that the dollhouse is completely done, we can get the dolls to enjoy their new home. Awee! Oh, shh, they're still sleeping in their beds.
Where am I? What is happening?
Rise and shine!
What a lovely morning! Good morning! I need a little spa before my bath.
All right, let's get the dolls ready for their baths.
So that's where all the beauty products go. No wonder they keep asking for a refill.
Are you ready for the bath now?
Yay!
Let's remove the towel and into the warm water you go.
Oh, la 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 la! The water's so warm, love it!
Now let's get you dry and all dressed up. Do you like this outfit?
Oh, this is so comfy! I like the color too!
Let's match it with these boots. And here's the second one. Oh, you look so cute. Oh, now it's your turn, cute little lilac.
Yay!
The warm water is waiting for you. Here you go.
Whoa, so warm and relaxing.
Time to get dressed now. Here's your outfit. Oh, you look so good in it. Wow.
What about the shoes?
Coming right up. A pair of pretty shoes is here. There you go.
Oh, I love it! All this prep has made me hungry. What's for breakfast?
Why don't we see to that right now? Girls, enjoy.
I'd like some rolls, please. Everything's so yummy here.
Okay, it's your turn now.
Oh, yum, delish. Do you mind if I finish the leftovers?
Okay, let's get you girls ready to go out. We want you to look fabulous. So don't worry, I'll help you. A rosy glow on your cheeks will make you look fresh and lively. Now some lipstick. Pucker up.
Make me look beautiful, please. Yeah, me too.
Oh, you look so natural. You're both beautiful. And the final touch.
Wow, the lilac room is so beautiful. I get it now. Are you kidding me? Pink looks way cooler. So what do you say? Switch rooms! Switch rooms? Oh, yeah! What just happened? I don't get girls. They were like cats and dogs earlier. Ugh.
That means we did a great job, Sammy. Way to go!
Yeah, well, thanks for watching, friends. See you in the next videos.
Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you won't miss our new craft episodes. And subscribe, of course. Bye-bye!